He called you? Huh? Yeah. That's a video? What does it say? Les Father. What does it say?
It's like dancing on you.
Do this. Oh my god. Alright, I'm going to eat yours. Are you coming to lunch? Huh? I think I just said dickhead on my damn voicemail. Are you coming to lunch? Bring my phone down. Okay?
Good job.
Hey!